readers and writers. Today we're going to talk about how to write a 5-paragraph constructed response essay from 2 paired passages. This is our video lesson 5. It's step 5, the closing paragraph. Let's go ahead and take a look at the prompt again. Our prompt for our whole essay says, for every real-world problem there is a potential solution. Write an essay in which you explain the process that people engage in to solve problems. Be sure to support your essay with information from both texts. Okay, go ahead, take out your plan that you have at home and make sure you're ready to write and follow along. Today we're going to be looking at this bottom section in the eye diagram. This is where you write your notes for your closing paragraph. Now, we have already finished our opening paragraph, our 3 body paragraphs, and now we're going to come back to our closing. We only use text evidence in the 3 body paragraphs, so at this point we can be done with the texts. Coming back here, the first thing that you're going to need to write in your closing paragraph is the main idea from your opening paragraph restated and the last transition phrase. I like the phrase "in conclusion." It helps us know that this is the concluding paragraph, and it's just a nice, simple concluding transition phrase you can write for your reader. In conclusion, then I wrote, people engage in a process to solve problems effectively. In conclusion, people engage in a process to solve problems effectively. Now notice, that is the same words from the prompt. We were supposed to write an essay about, we're explaining the process that people engage in to solve problems. I'm going to borrow that language from the prompt and put it in my closing paragraph. It also could be a great opening sentence for your main idea in your opening paragraph. Notice that these 2 paragraphs are going to kind of resemble one another, just like the opening sentence from a paragraph resembles the closing sentence from a paragraph. So here what I want you to do is to restate your main idea from the whole big essay. Then, because it's at the very end, you have 2 spaces now to put personal connections. Maybe talk about a time that you solved a problem and the process you engaged in. Or maybe talk about a way that you would solve a problem that you haven't approached yet. After that, you're going to put your closing sentence. This is the last sentence of your whole essay. So, a great way to put your closing for the very end is to say, now you know, and then you can use your creativity to write that last sentence. Now you know what? What have you taught your reader? All right, I look forward to seeing your writing. Make sure you're typing this in your shared Google document titled Your Name and Problem Solving Essay. Happy writing!